This is all what I need to mount the body with magnets. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel for another video on the Porsche 956 Tamiya one-tail best 2024 novelty assembling. And today we do two works, and they are two upgrades. Here starts the upgrade story. First, mounting the body on the chassis with magnets. Second, lights. No. In this video, just the magnet body mount, because it's so long. Lights, next video. I know you are happy for this. Therefore, comment, like and subscribe. Thank you. Washers, nuts and screws for the body part, with the magnet mounted. Broken. This is important. Pay attention. Okay, I have another one. No problems. This is to be thrown away. I was saying, magnet on the body mounted by this side, with the head of the screw inside this conic hole, and it's quite low, because on the other side, on the these magnets are terrible. Stay there. I was saying, on the body post here, cutted, and then we will see where to cut them by okay, by the other side. I think you understand. By this side. And by this side the screw gets out a little bit, but on the other side we have a hole, so maybe it's not certain, but sometimes it works, and this head of the screw helps you to find the exact point of contact for the magnets, and the body will be more stable for the side bumps. Now, what can I do? Very important, okay, very important is to respect the right position, because if you put, you see, it doesn't work. There's just one way to have contact. First we work on the body. The first work is to make holes in this position, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Fortunately, on the body you have all the signs, so the work is quite easy. Remember, pay attention with the hole not larger than the screw. So you make this, then you try with the screw. Perfect. A good hole helps you in the work, because you don't lose the screw. Then on rear, and the last. Perfect. Now turn upside down, and we have magnet into the hole, and on the other side a washer. I also have little washers, but little washer don't protect the body as large, so I prefer to see a washer than a hole in the body. And with the magnet it's not so easy. Okay. Then by this side the magnet makes your life so difficult. Okay. Don't tie too much. You saw that these are quite fragile. And this is what you see outside. But it's not finished, because here there's the magnet, and I think that the screw has some difficulties to undo. But if you put a little bit of this that I have to buy, okay, just a jug is very nice because it's green, very professional. Now I do the other, then we go to the body posts. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Very clean, very easy, very nice, not disturbing the body. Now we have to take a measurement for cutting the body posts, as I want this space like this. Okay, so you have to consider this, the one you are going to put, the distance, and cut in consequence. The first work you have to do to cut the body posts at the right measure is to see how much do you have to lower. In front is a little bit more than on the rear. So in front is 21 millimeters. Then it's not finished, because you have to mount these, and these are other 3 millimeters, 20, better say 20, then you can adjust, plus 3 is 23, so you have to cut the front body post 23 millimeters. The rear one are 19, so 23, 19, 22. Then you calculate 23 and 22, then you cut. You make a hole, then you screw the magnet on. Then you try. If everything is okay, all right. But if it's too high, you have to undo and cut about 1 millimeter perhaps, or what it comes out. In front, I've made the sign of about 2 millimeters higher, because I want to be sure not to cut too much. And the same on the rear. I told 22, I make the sign at 20. Then I mount everything. It doesn't take a long time. And I see. As I told you, you are always in time to cut more. But if it's overcutted, goodbye. Okay, about here. And now to cut the columns, the body posts, you can use this but this makes a cut in the middle that is made like that. I don't like it. It's very fast. I prefer something like this. This is a tube cutter, but it's perfect also for any round things, rods and so on. It's a little bit long, but the cut it makes is fantastic. It's perfect. Tuck. Perfect. Now the work is to cut all the other, make a hole in the middle, then with a screw mount in this way all the magnets, then mount the body and see, perhaps undo the screw and cut 2 millimeters, 1 millimeter more. Let's see. Working with screws and magnets is very difficult. Okay, there's a way to do it. These are like this because the magnet in front are in a... And now super! But two words. On the rear, I've mounted magnets on a silicone tube and a long screw in order to adjust the highness of the body respect the wheel. In front, there's something that I can't understand. On the body, magnets are mounted by the same face, but these are mounted upside down and these are mounted with the hole up. I don't know why this happens. If someone of you has the answer, please tell me in the comment. This is unbelievable. Here inside the box of the magnets, they are all oriented in the same way. But this and this not. Perhaps it depends from the low quality of this very cheap. Perhaps they are magnetized on opposite, and so I suggest you to check every time the right position. I'm very happy. This is the best way. Look at that. Next work. And now the car looks much more better. And here we are, my friends, with these last bonus images and work. Up to the next. Comment, like and subscribe.